Today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Venmo to Cash App. So your first thing you want to do is download Venmo if you already have it, access the app. Now in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on the icon that says Me. Once you're on that, you're going to want to hit transfer. Now, if you have the Cash App card, you can get it instantly, and all you had to do is plug in your card. But if you don't have the Cash App card, it's okay. Just hit 1 to 3 business days, and you can plug in your bank account. So to do that, you hit transfer again, add bank. All right. Verify bank manually instead. And then you're going to want to go into Cash App and find your routing number, your account number, and then confirm the account number. Once you save and continue, your bank account will be linked. And then all you will have to do is come back here and transfer it and then select your Cash App card.